very special. Yeah, every round is such a battle and, so filled with tension. So I'm really happy with how I performed. Yeah, and I'm really happy to be able to share it with all of you. Thank you.
You played Serena before, and she won that one in 3 sets. Coming in today, you probably prepared for a battle. What was going through your mind? A lot of expectations also from you.
Yeah, I think the key to today was staying calm and trusting my shots. I think I was very solid in particular moments where I needed to
Sila
be.
maglalaban ni Coco.
So, yeah, that reflected in my performance and in the score, I guess.
You say the shots that you kept going for throughout the match, something that you believed in and you relied on the most.
That's a good question. I think stepping in was one of the things we talked about, and just being mindful of my legs.
You continue making history for Philippines tennis. Are you aware?
Somewhat. I'm aware of what happens over here. It's basically the same thing. I don't want to imagine, but yeah, the waves of support have really just made every single match all the more special. And I get it's so difficult to describe the emotions and the actual experience of playing in front of this crowd. So I'm really grateful to be here.
Yay!
What's going to be the biggest key for you?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I think I'm in a good path. I think if I continue like this, the next match will be great. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Coco is such an amazing person, and we tend to forget that she's just a year older than me, and but she's a great role model for so many. So I'm really excited.
Alright, well, before I let you go, one last thing you want to tell everyone that's supporting you and everyone back home also that's watching you.
Salamat sa pagbuhay.